ang tinuod nga pagpanudlo sa gospel nga si Kristo lang ang makaluwas. Siya lang. Any doctrine, any teaching that contradicts the teaching of Christ, they are demonic. And if you are inferior, makasulod yun. Ayaw i-measure ang spirituality based sa standard sa tao. Lahi ang basis sa spirituality. Faithfulness to the gospel. As long as you understand the message of the gospel, and as long as you are faithful to the message of the gospel, you are not inferior, because you are a child of a king, the King of kings, the one who created the universe. If your father is a king, then what are you? You are so much in you. Kung ayaw i-allow mahimong inferiority, mahimong entry point, na okay lang, sagdaan na lang ni mga tao, magsigig indoctrinate sa imuha, magsigig salsal sa imuha, mga butang kontra sa Biblia.